badges. So we'll go to kitchens, come into photos, kitchens, new folder, we'll call this 1080 WebP. It's always good to label so you know what photos are, and you still have the originals if you need to change out or update it. So then we'll go into kitchen, remodeling, I'll just call it kitchens. Click OK. And now if we come back out again, go to kitchens, you'll see they're all popping in there. We can also come in and see that was a 7.8 meg photo. It is now 34 KB also. Let's see how many photos we got coming in here on this one for this batch edit. We are running 58 photos. Let's see if it went through. It's still going. 50, 52, 56, 58. So that finished. Now now we can use those all there for the website. And now this website will load a lot faster. We'll have better images to use. And so if you like this video, like below, leave a comment what type of photos you are trying to optimize, what websites you're building, what type of projects you're using that you need to use Photoshop, and you're editing a bunch of photos at once. I hope this was helpful. Again, if you like this, leave a comment. We'll try to create more videos like this. Thank you for your time. Bye.